retainer in right now, so hopefully I don't sound too much like that one girl off of Zoe 101 that goes like, yes. Good morning, America and any other country watching. It is 9 a.m. right now, and I have to get ready for class. The person above me is making a lot of noise, but I have to get ready for class. So I wanted to film this because everyone knows being in college, if you have to share a bathroom because you live in a dorm, you're limited to doing things that you would normally do at home as far as your morning routine and night routine and everything else like that. So I thought that I would share you guys mine and how I've adapted a little bit here compared to how I do things back at home as far as taking care of my face, my hair, my skin, and everything. So I'm about to show you guys all the steps I do to get prepared for everyday life in the morning here at university. One of the unfortunate things about sharing a bathroom with about 30 other boys is that I can't go in the bathroom peacefully with just like my underwear on or my pajamas on because I don't want anyone else seeing me in my underwear. So I have to put on shorts to be able to go pee, to be able to get ready, to be able to do anything in the bathroom. So can you tell how fun it is to share bathrooms with like 30 other people? Okay, I opened the shutters so you guys can see better, but I put all of the stuff that I use in the bathroom in this bag so I can just carry it all to the bathroom and back easily. And this is the stuff I put in the bag. This is my retainer case, so I take off my retainer, wash it, and then dry it off with a rag, put it back in here. Brush my teeth with Pronamel, and I put on deodorant, obviously. And this is a face wash I use for about 5 days out the week. This Aveeno Positively Radiant Brightening Cleanser. And this is the face scrub that I use 1 or 2 times per week just to like make sure that I wash all the dead skin off my face. And it's the Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Scrub. Okay, my class starts at 10:10. So hopefully I can get all of this done and still have about 10-15 minutes to walk to class because my class is all the way across campus. So if not, don't try this at home, kids. Get to class on time. I do not want to set a bad example, but hopefully we can do this. And here we are in my raggedy bathroom. Someone is taking a shower, but yes, here I am in my dirty ass shared bathroom. There's underwear hung up on the wall. It's been there for about 3 months now. Hey. So I start off by taking my retainer off, washing it, drying it, and brushing my teeth. So I'm just gonna say this while I'm editing. When you brush your teeth, you put the toothbrush under the water once, you put the toothpaste on, and then you start brushing your teeth. You don't put it back under the water once you put the toothpaste on because it makes it lose a lot of the things that keep your teeth white and clean and strengthen your enamel that's in the toothpaste. I bring nothing but facts. Then I put piping hot water on my face as hot as possible to open up my pores, and I wash my face. And I rinse my face wash off with semi-cold, semi-warm water, like lukewarm water, because I hate to break it to you guys, but freezing cold water being used to rinse your face, the fact that it helps out with anything is a myth. You can Google it if you want to. But then I pat my face off with a rag. I have holes in my shirt, don't judge me, but after I wash my face, I come back in here, even though I still have more stuff to do, but now my face is like super dry. So before I have to do anything else, I just want to get my face moisturized. So I come back in here. I just got interrupted, but where did I leave off? My face is super dry, so I just want to put some stuff on it, moisturize it, and then go back and do everything else that I have to do. First things first, we have to put on our Vaseline. Along with keeping our face moisturized, we have to keep our lips moisturized too. So
Dominique Nick s'en allait tout simplement.
Okay, so I put on toner. I use this, it probably won't show, but I use Kylie Skin Toner. She usually puts it on, can you see it? A little bit, but she, in her video tutorial that she did, she put it on with a cotton pad. I just put it on with my hands because when you put it on with a cotton pad, you have to put on way more because the cotton pad like soaks up a lot of the toner.
Routier, pauvre et chantant.
I never used toner before. I made like a DIY one with like green tea and apple cider vinegar when I was in high school, and all it did was leave my face stinking in the morning at like 7 a.m. So I stopped using that. But this toner really helps. It's definitely helped clear my skin since I started using it about 9-10 months ago. I've been using it for a while now. So yeah, use toner. Not everyone does, but it definitely helps. So now usually I let the toner like sit on my face for like 3-4 minutes and I go like clean up or something or put my stuff up. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna let it dry off a little bit and put on the moisturizer now. For moisturizer, I use either these things, this extra virgin coconut oil moisturizing cream, or this vitamin E cream, Swiss.
First they love you, then they switch. Yeah, they switch like
Swiss Collagen Complex Moisturizing Cream. It just depends on which one I'm feeling. I don't really have like a set, use one day, use one the other day. Maybe I should, but I don't. I usually use this one though, hence why it's almost empty and the other one is full. So we're gonna use the coconut cream one because I love the smell of coconut. It's springtime and I want to smell like a spring coconut.
en tout chemin, en tout lieu.
So now that we're done with that, we're going to continue our moisturizing intermission with some lotion for the rest of my body. For lotion, I usually just use Suave. You can get this from Walmart or Target for like $3-4. But when I'm feeling fancy or I have somewhere to go, I use this coconut body lotion. It's almost out, so I don't use it as much anymore. And for some reason, this started happening like a while ago. When you squirt it out, like it doesn't come out properly. Like, see, nothing's coming out. But it's not because like there's not like a lot in here, because it's still like about right here. I guess like just my wand or something broke. I don't know, but oh, it's coming out a little bit. Maybe it like just dries up in the thing, but yeah, so I usually use that on special occasions or like when I'm going to the beach and I want to smell like coconut. But for everyday use, I use this.
Il ne parle que du bon Dieu.
And then I put lotion on my legs and feet too, but I'm not gonna record that because you guys know how to put on lotion. So on to the next part. Now it's time for me to do my hair. I have a struggling fade right now. I need a haircut very badly. But I don't really do much for my hair. I'm not really like a hair care type of person. I just use this Stay Soft Fro rub-on hair and scalp conditioner. And sometimes I'll just like do it in a circular motion to get curls, or sometimes I'll just pick it out and then I'll brush the sides to try to make it look like I have a fade, even though at this point the fade is pretty much gone. Usually I would do the hair stuff, the face stuff, brushing my teeth and moisturizing all in the bathroom back at home. But like I said, I have to share a bathroom with a whole bunch of other people and I don't feel like bringing all that stuff in the bathroom. So I just have to do it step by step. And of course at first it's annoying, but after like a month or so you just get used to it. But next year I will have my own bathroom and my own room, so just patiently waiting for that day to come. Back in the bag we go. Okay, this is gonna be short, but I just put water and the conditioner stuff in my hair. I pick it out and then I brush the sides. So now that I'm done with my face and hair and everything, it's time for me to get dressed for class. So I just have on a blue shirt, some black shorts, and some flip-flops. My bed is unmade. Don't judge me. I will make it when I get back because I need to go. But it is currently 9:57. I have my backpack. So I am about to rush to class. Hopefully I can make it just in time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever other time that you're watching this. And give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. I'm probably going to do more like college versions of like getting ready, night routine, stuff like that, because it's a lot different than doing it when you're just back at home. And I feel like these types of videos can help people in college or people who are coming to college to know that it's not that bad to like do what you need to do in the morning and stuff like that. So bye.